Hi, today I am going to make a homopolar motor. For this experiment, you will need a AA battery, some copper wire, pliers, and a neodymium magnet, which is a super strong magnet. The AA battery I found around my house. Copper wire, well, my husband had that, but you can buy it at any hardware store for probably maybe $3 to $4. Pliers, we had those laying around the house. And a neodymium magnet, yeah, my husband had that too. But you can find, I found on Amazon, you can get a pack of 30 of them for around $6. So, to do this, you need to take the pliers and, well, first cut the wire to about maybe a 3 to 4 inch piece, and then take the pliers and shape them. And you can really do any kind of shape as long as one of the ends will balance on top of the battery on the positive side. And then you want to take the magnets and they will stick to the bottom of the battery. So then after that, all you have to do is place your shape and balance it on top of the battery, the positive side of the battery, and give it a quick little tap and it should spin. Now, I had to spend quite a bit of time trying to do this on my own, and it was very difficult for me to shape the wire because it is very stiff. So please forgive my experiment here. So I already have mine made. So let me show you what I did. Okay, let me move the camera. Okay, here's my battery. And I have the magnets stuck to the negative side of the battery. And then on the positive side, I have my little hoop. You just want to make sure that it will curve around the battery so that it's not leaning against it or touching it. And so this will be my end that I'm going to try and stick to the positive side. Let me see where we can get this so you can see. So I'm going to place this over and I'm going to touch that on the positive side. And then I'm going to give it a tap, and it should continue to move. Now, when I did this earlier, it was spinning quite a bit faster than this, but then I messed with it. And you know, the way I have my shape, it wants to keep sliding off the top. Now, I saw an experiment done like this before, and theirs was a lot better than mine. So I have a lot of tweaking to do with mine. But as you can see, it continues to move. Well, it stopped because it's not centered. It's the way my shape is. I had it so much better earlier, and then I messed with it. So what is happening is the electricity, it flows through the copper wire and creates a magnetic field that is an opposite force to the magnet, causing the wire to spin. This experiment goes with 4th grade standard P-4-PS3-2, which is to make observations to provide evidence that energy can be transferred from place to place by sound, light, heat, and electric currents.